Morning, everyone. It's 8:35 on Monday, the 13th, beginning of the final week for the monthly option expiration on Friday. And let's see. This is video number 1058. Asia and Europe, both higher this morning. Just to give you a brief look, at 8 o'clock, the Dow was up 14, the S&P up 7, and NASDAQ up 57. Right now at 8:36, it's up 30 in the Dow, up 60 in the NASDAQ, and up 9.5 in the S&P. So a little bit firmer, but certainly nothing to write home about. Okay, if I wonder how many people here have heard the expression, when you're a hammer, everything looks like a nail. And that's the only thing that I can say about listening to Mohammed Al-Arian talk about the risk and reward in the market, and how everything is unsustainable. And this is the same story we've been hearing in the S&P for the last 700 points. But that's the business he's in. He's mostly fixed income, and I would say his market does look kind of crappy. Okay, ARNA, ARNA, being bought by Pfizer, $6.7 billion, $100 a share, stock trading 96, up 46 or 91%. In keeping with the Chinese government ways, Alibaba fired the woman who claimed sexual assault victim. The stock is doing nothing. It's 124 down 1. And again, I no longer follow it. I'm just mentioning it. I don't trade any of the Chinese stocks at all. Ford going to triple the Mustang E production facility by 2023. So, I don't know what's going to happen when they run into little problems, but that's what they're doing. Great for them. The stock is unchanged. Harley Davidson spinning off their EV division in a SPAC deal. Stock is 41.21. That's up 440 or 12%. Bellis Pharmaceutical, BLU, a little one, up 36%, 772, up $2.12 on a trial meeting its endpoints for chronic cough. And RIVN gets the Truck of the Year award from Motor Trend, and basically, so what? The stock is up $2.84 at 117.5. Let's remember that Lucid got the Car of the Year, and the stock moved from the high 40s to 57, now currently 39, up, but down 35%. And this is just my own personal feeling about it, but I'm just curious. If the government wants to move us towards more efficient and better power grid, environmentally friendly, why aren't they taking one or two of these little towns that have been completely wiped out? And as long as insurance is going to be there and they're going to be there backing it, why don't they put all the lines underground? Why don't they, get Lennar or not Toll, because they're high end, but one of the other, maybe Kaufman and Broad, to build houses that have charging stations, give these people electric cars, and put solar panels on their roofs. I don't understand. It would be a great, quote, first step, and a trial of all those technologies. They're going to have to pay for it anyway to rebuild. Why don't they just, instead of build back better, why don't they just build it right. Okay, oil has come down hard from the high. Overnight last night, I saw it trading at 73. Here's a look at today's chart. Let's go to an intraday. And, here we were at 73 at 1 o'clock this morning. I mean, it started, the day way back here at, 72 and change, got to 73, and then just collapsed. We had a couple of big downdrafts, like this one at 3:30 in the morning. I don't know who's trading it at 3:30 in the morning, but we went from 72.29 to 71.63 in what looks like about 15 minutes. We consolidated for a while and then went from 71.77 down to 70.85 in a period of about an hour, trying to claw back up. But, to look at the daily and see, we are really in that triangle that I showed you overnight. In a couple of these, well at support, 200-day MA down here at 70.15 or so. Slightly higher high, slightly higher low. I don't know what set it off, but clearly something did. The gold was up a little, now down a little, so nothing special. Last night the silver was up 5, now it's up 8.5 cents. The dollar is slightly higher, up 18 cents. Bitcoin and Ethereum minorly lower, and the bonds up 12. So be careful out there. It's a Monday. It's a big week. There's a big Fed meeting. And I don't know what they can possibly say, but hey, you just never know. Dow right now at 843 is up 33. That's 26 plus negative fair value. NASDAQ now up 62. And the S&P, let's just see when it flashes on the screen here. The S&P is still up about 7. All right, everyone. Have a good morning and be careful out there.